Question number 1 is, what are consumer rights? Answer to question number 1 is, consumer rights refer to the rights of consumers to be protected from unfair trade practices, have access to safe and quality products, and receive redressal for grievances. Question number 2 is, name the legislation in India that specifically deals with consumer protection. Answer to question number 2, the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Question number 3 is, what is the purpose of the Consumer Protection Act? Answer to question number 3 is, the purpose is to provide consumers with effective safeguards against various types of exploitation such as unfair trade practices and defective goods. Question number 4 is, what are the 6 consumer rights recognized under the Consumer Protection Act? Answer to question number 4 is, right to safety, right to information, right to choose, right to representation, and right to redressal, and right to consumer education. Question number 5 is, by what means can the consumers express their solidarity? Answer to question number 5 is, consumers can express solidarity by boycotting unethical products or brands, supporting fair trade and sustainable practices, participating in advocacy campaigns, sharing information on social media, and choosing to purchase from businesses aligned with their values. Question number 6 is, what is the significance of the right to information for consumers? Answer to question number 6 is, the right to information ensures that consumers have access to accurate and truthful information about products and services to make informed choices. Question number 7 is, how does the right to choose benefit consumers? Answer to question number 7 is, the right to choose empowers consumers to select from a variety of products and services at competitive prices without any enforcement. Question number 8 is, define the right to representation. Answer to question number 8 is, the right to representation allows consumers to have their interests represented in consumer forum or organization. Question number 9 is, explain the right to redressal. Answer to question number 9 is, the right to redressal ensures that customers can seek compensation or resolution for grievances arising from the purchase of defective products or deficient services. Question number 10 is, what role does the right to consumer education play in consumer protection? Answer to question number 10 is, the right to consumer education aims to educate consumers about their rights and responsibilities, enabling them to make informed decisions and assert their rights effectively. Question number 11 is, what is the role of consumer organizations in promoting consumer rights? Answer to question number 11 is, consumer organizations play a crucial role in advocating for consumer rights, raising awareness, providing assistance in grievance redressal, and promoting consumer education. Question number 12 is, what are unfair trade practices? Answer to question number 12 is, unfair trade practices include deceptive advertising, misleading product labeling, false claims, and other dishonest methods used by the businesses to gain an unfair advantage over consumers. Question number 13 is, how does the Consumer Protection Act address unfair trade practices? Answer to question number 13 is, the Consumer Protection Act prohibits unfair trade practices and provides mechanism for consumers to seek redressal and compensation for damage caused by such practices. Question number 14 is, what is the role of consumer courts in resolving consumer disputes? Answer to question number 14 is, consumer courts established under the Consumer Protection Act provide a speedy and inexpensive mechanism for consumers to seek redressal for grievances related to defective products or deficient services. Question number 15 is, explain the concept of product liability. Answer to question number 15 is, product liability holds manufacturers, sellers, and distributors responsible for any harm caused to consumers due to defective products, inadequate warnings, or improper instructions. Question number 16 is, how does product liability protect consumers? Answer to question number 16 is product liability ensures that consumers can seek compensation for injuries or damages caused by defective products without having to prove negligence on the part of the manufacturer. Question number 17 is what is meant by the term caveat emptor? Answer to question number 17 is caveat emptor is a Latin phrase that means let the buyer be aware. It implies that consumers should be cautious and responsible for assessing the quality and suitability of products before making a purchase. Question number 18 is how does consumer awareness contribute to consumer protection? Answer to question number 18 is consumer awareness enables consumers to recognize their rights, identify unfair trade practices, make informed purchasing decisions, and hold businesses accountable for their actions. Question number 19 is what are the responsibilities of consumers in ensuring their own protection? Answer to question number 19 is consumers have a responsibility to exercise due diligence, demand quality products and services, assert their rights when necessary, and report fraudulent or unfair practices to the appropriate authorities. Question number 20 is how can consumers file complaints against unfair trade practices? Answer to question number 20 is consumers can file complaints with consumer courts, consumer forums, or consumer protection agencies, providing evidence and documentation to support their claims. Question number 21 is what steps can businesses take to comply with consumer protection laws? Answer to question number 21 is businesses can ensure compliance with consumer protection laws by providing accurate product information, maintaining product safety standards, honoring warranties, and resolving consumer complaints promptly and fairly. Question number 22 is what is the significance of product labeling for consumers? Answer to question number 22 is product labeling provides consumers with essential information about ingredients, nutrition value, expiration date, usage instructions, and potential hazards, enabling them to make informed choices. Question number 23 is how does warranties protect consumers? Answer to question number 23 is warranties guarantee that products will perform as advertised for a specific period or offer remedies if they fail to meet quality standards, providing consumers with reassurance and recourse in case of defects. Question number 24 is what role do consumer organizations play in advocating for consumer rights? Answer to question number 24 is consumer organizations represent the collective interests of consumers, lobby for stronger consumer protection laws, conduct research, raise awareness, and provide support and guidance to consumers. Question number 25 is how does consumer redressal benefit both consumers and businesses? Answer to question number 25 is consumer redressal mechanism provide consumers with a means to seek compensation or resolution for grievances, fostering trust and satisfaction, while also encouraging businesses to maintain quality standards and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.